खामकी लुमा ब्लगिङ गरेर आएको छु मैले हैन किनकि भर्खर काम भ्यायो नि त गाइज हैन घर जान लाग्यो के तर एनीवे गाइज वेलकम ब्याक टु माई च्यानल यस्तै त्यसैमा हैन सबैजना सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ होला त्यहाँ आई रियली विश फर द्याट हैन आज म चाहिँ घर जाने बित्तिकै तुरुन्तै फेरि बाहिर आउनु पर्ने छ क्या किनकि वर्क रिलेटेड सानो पार्टी छ हैन सो आई विल टेक यु देयर हैन तपाईहरुले हेरिहाल्नुहुन्छ हैन के हो त्यो भनेर बेसिकली चाहिँ आजको भिडियो चाहिँ इट विल बी मिक्स अफ इमोसनल मिक्स अफ इन्टरटेनमेन्ट अनि फन हैन सो आई होप यु गाइज विल लाइक इट हैन यदि प्लिज राम्रो लाग्यो भने चाहिँ कमेन्ट लाइक अनि सब्स्क्राइब पनि गरिदिनु होला हैन द्याट रियली म्याटर फर मी के हैन सो गाइज अब म लाग्छु हैन अलि ढिलो नै भइरहेछ अहिले तर बिफोर आई गो आई विल ट्राई टु मेक यु गाइज लाफ हैन एउटा सानो जोक सुनाउँछ है त एक दिन हैन 3-4 जना साथीहरु ग्रुपमा बसिरा हुन्छ क्या अनि टक्कै एकजना साथीले चाहिँ हैन मलाई पानी पर्दाखेरि हिँड्न मन लाग्छ किनकि मेरो आँसु कसैले पनि देख्दैन भनेर भनेछ क्या अनि फेरि अर्को साथीले हैन यो त पुरानो हो र अलि नयाँ सुनाउन भनेर भनेछ क्या अनि फेरि अर्को साथीले हैन मलाई जाडोमा कुहिरोमा हिँड्न मन लाग्छ किनकि मैले चोर खाएको कसैले पनि देख्दैन भनेर भनेछ क्या अनि फेरि अर्को साथीले हैन यो पनि पुरानो अलि नयाँ सुनाउन भनेर भनेछ क्या अनि फेरि अर्को साथीले हैन मलाई पैदल हिँड्न मन लाग्छ किनकि पेट्रोलको भाउ बढिसकेको छ भनेर भनेछ क्या हैन अनि साथीहरुले यो त झन् राम्रो अलि राम्रो नयाँ छैन कुनै भनेर भनेछ हैन ठक्क त्यही बेला चाहिँ एउटा साथीको छोरा हैन नर्सरी एलकेजी पढ्ने हुन्छ के अनि उले चाहिँ अंकल मलाई आउँछ म सुनाऊ भनेर भनेछ के अनि सुनान त बाबु भनेर भनेछ हैन अनि ठक्क त्यो बाबुले त्यो बच्चाले चाहिँ हैन अनि अंकल मलाई पानी पर्दाखेरि एकदम हिँड्न मन लाग्छ किनकि मैले सुसु गरेको कसैले पनि थाहा पाउँदैन अंकल भनेर भनेछ के हैन सो गाइज यदि जोक लाग्यो भने प्लिज हाँस्दिनु होला अनि प्लिज डु कमेन्ट पनि हैन अनि अल्सो प्लिज किप वाचिङ दिस भिडियो लास्टसम्म हैन मलाई पनि अब ढिलो हुँदैछ हैन जानुपर्छ म छिटै बट आई एम गोइङ टु सी यु सुन टिल देन टेक केयर बाइ बाइ पीस
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Feel better if I say the songs for you when you put down and better.
So we're here again to celebrate with. This is a celebration for our two lovely staff, Dorina and Anna Maria. Oh, okay. This one's for you. Thank you.
Thank each and every one of you because you all in one way or the other have helped me so much and made my work more easy. There was not a single one who has not hesitant to help me when I need. I don't have many years of experience working other than being a student for 3 years and maybe like 8 months being a qualified nurse. The first day when I came in, I saw Vinny Chetai and then he just looked at me wondering why I came at 7:15. I thought the shift started at 7:30 and then he goes like, why are you here early? Who are you? I was like, I'm one of the I really called who starts on the first day and then he was like, why do you wake up in the morning? And I was like, no, I thought I would start at 7:30. But he was very like so cheerful and very helpful. That was my first impression on him. I was so happy, like he was very like approachable as well. And is this about BG? When I was on Gastro, I was my first person who was in Gastro. when Meena asked me to come for like I think to get the shift sorted, I did not think she was this young. I was like, I don't know how like this young Meena would be like a manager, and I was very like. And to be honest, I was very like proud, and I think that you inspired me as well to get big role at this very young age. Wow. And I was telling my parents like I've seen my new manager. I've never seen. Obviously, I only had 3 years of being a student nurse and 8 months of being a qualified nurse, and I was seeing such a young ward manager. So it really inspired me. And then I think my first ever shift was the Shilpa Chechi. And then I was like, I thought she was someone who came from India like all the other NRI staff nurses here. So speaking to her, and she said no, she was from studied here. And I asked her how does it feel to be a qualified nurse, and then I felt like she said like I had the same feeling when she had as well, so that she made me like really comfortable. And then when I was like I need to be signed up for my taking bloods. I asked like I'm so nervous, and then she's like no, it's okay. She really encouraged and she helped me to take bloods. I think probably my first sign up would be her for taking bloods as well. And then I became then I started working with Superior. Yeah. Listen! Working with her, it never, like, she was so helpful that I never actually thought that. I think she took all my burden as well. And then around 7 o'clock we started actually playing Ludo on the phone. To be honest, and then I had so many people, like I was only competent for IVs like maybe 4 weeks back, but until then Chantel, I mean there's so many people to name, like I've never like, yeah, like yes. How many I do like all of them like so helpful, like they never hesitated or anything. That really helped me. I felt like belong to the family, and I didn't want to leave. Like Melissa, they mentioned my first head getting involved together. And then I had Kevin on one of the very busy ones on eBay. He was so heavy on that day, and then he took all my bloods from me. I was like, he was so happy. And then at first, when I started working with Anup Chattai, and then he was telling me the routine of the ward, and he really helped me. Even though he was working differently, he helped me so much as well. And of course, Hendrik, the discharge coordinator. And I should run towards him. He used to print all the paperwork for me, so I never used to have any issues. But now I think the most of my is Hendrik, because I literally can't print any discharge letters. So I do miss his seat there. And then even of course I haven't spoken so much with him, but I mean his info was really helpful for me as well. And whenever I am actually clinically, he's there right behind me scaring me. He keeps scaring me whenever I go into clinics. They say I have no patience. Wow. Huh? Wow. Pass the parcel. Now go on. There's another one. Thank you.
Okay, so.
Take a photo. She's moving to IPU. We're spreading our Jenner family.
Everywhere. And she's going to come back.
Okay.
Good evening, Joe.
Good evening, Spring.
So, first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to remember our late manager Vikas, because he's the one who introduced Jenner family to me. So I came to Jannapur in September 26, 2018. It's going to be 2 years. So maybe it's going to be a coincidence because my last day in Jannapur, I mean official, definitely I will come back for banshees. So my official last day will be on September 26th. So it's a coincidence. So sharp 2 years I was in Jannapur. And all throughout my journey, I was so happy because a family. Really, I didn't miss my family much because I was in Jannah family. Each and every person was always offering their, both hands with all their help from the deep heart, from the bottom of their heart. First of all, our backbone and our main pillar of our Jannah family is our great manager. I can say that she's our cool captain because I never saw her so much stressed. So because she's so cool and she never gave stress to anyone else. True, she knows how to manage, how to handle any kind of situations, and she will guide like that way as well. So to everyone. So she's very inspired person as well. So I never see this kind of a cool manager, those who can handle all kind of situations in a very good way. So I think in general, most of the, compared to the other wards, more number of parties are conducted in our Jannah ward is because of our manager. Parties, gatherings, get-togethers, all can be happened only if we are, if only we have a feel of togetherness. Like so, it's come from, it can be supported only from our manager, and also coming to organizers. So, Melissa and Kevin, don't leave Jannah ward. Because in Jannah ward, our parties are only, happening in a very good way and in a coordinated way only because of Melissa. Truly, I'm so thankful for that. Right. And coming to our super duper, our band 6 staff. So they are known as charge nurses. So of course I can say, say that like in a shift, they are the charging power for everyone. Because if we are going through any kind of stressful situations, if you're not able to manage or handle that thing, of course, if you're like children, we will approach our parents, right? So I can say that, if you are not able to handle any situation, especially in each shift, of course you will approach our band shift, our band 6, our charge nurses. So I would really like to thank you all our band 6 nurses, so B. Chetan, he is my mentor. So B. Chetan, Soni Chechi, Mini Chechi, Tim Chechi, and Eva, Sangeeta. Then no, some of them are not here. Then Jean, and so everyone, I would like to say thank you to everyone and to the rest of the persons. They are not my colleagues, they are my friends, they are my family members. I can't differentiate like healthcare assistants, students, or my colleagues. They are like what can I say? They are everyone. Everything to me. So thank you so much for your extreme support, guidance, and love and care. So I would really take this opportunity to thank you so much, everyone. I'm really going to miss you all because I'm not sure, because wherever I'm going, I never feel this kind of togetherness or a feeling of family. It's only from Jannah family, I think. So thank you so much for everyone for loving me and caring me and supporting me all.